This is Dabu7. We have two space agencies reporting that they want to blow up an asteroid, so to speak, or ram something into an asteroid for practice in case there is this deep impact style catastrophe down the road. Now, this is just talk that they're putting out there. They have plans. They want to do this. Two different space agencies, the European and NASA. And of course, when we deal with these agencies, you have to work through all of the deception. You have to use discernment through and through. But this isn't like they're saying they just discovered something. They're saying that this is a plan in which they want to implement down the road. What they want to do per NASA is to launch this object called DART that will strike an incoming object. And then they want to back that up by a secondary impact, if you will, by the European Space Agency. Actually, it's going to be done in reverse. They said that the ESA wants to launch theirs in 2020 and NASA in 2021. Now, the first spaceship is dubbed AIM for Asteroid Impact Mission. It's going to orbit around 65803 Didymos, which was discovered in 1996. And this is an interesting object that they're talking about targeting. Then after they target it, NASA the next month will hit it with their Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART. Now, they admit that in this could kick off chunks, it could break it into two, and it could send things actually hurtling in our direction even quicker if they don't do it the right way. So, I just wanted to get the plans out there and let it be known that they've smashed satellites and probes into like Jupiter, into our own moon. Now they're talking about literally trying to hit something head on out in space to deter it, to push it off in a different direction. Now, they've talked about crazy stuff out there like capturing asteroids with like nets and then boosting them off in another direction. That's a whole different game plan versus just hitting it with an object, like trying to snipe it with a bullet in space. And they admit that it may just put a hole in it, and then all that debris will be another problem. So, they obviously have these plans out there in motion. The only thing that they need now, they say, is the funding. But, down the road, if something like this comes about, they take aim at an asteroid, then all of a sudden we start to see fireballs. You've got to pay attention to what these fools are up to. They're full of so much deception that it's sick. But this is their plan. Two different space agencies wanted to cover it and get it out there and let it be known. It's what they aim to do here in the future. It's been Dabu7, Eyes to the Skies.